just a video in general. If you guys saw my live like last Monday, I want to say, was it Monday? Yeah, on Monday, I went on YouTube live and I kind of gave you guys a little bit of an update as to where have I been. September was a crazy month for me and I wasn't as consistent here on YouTube as I wanted to be, and then my computer completely crashed and I had to get a new computer and it took all of the videos that I had filmed with it. I'm sorry that I've been gone, but I'm finally back and I'm so excited for you guys to watch this video, because for today's video I am going to be showing you guys my top favorite beauty products from Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. I originally filmed this video me doing kind of like a first impressions makeup tutorial, but since I lost all of that footage, I've actually had some time to really play with the products, really try them, and give you guys my honest opinions. And I picked just the products that I love, you guys are going to love, and products that you should buy from Rare Beauty if you do want to pick something up. Before we go ahead and get into the video, I want to give a huge shout out to Selena Estrada. She was part of my live on Monday. I promised you I was going to give you a shout out. I promised you that I wasn't going to forget. Selena, I want to personally thank you for subscribing, for supporting, and for sticking with me. I love you so much, and your support and encouragement never goes unnoticed. Thank you, girl. I love you, and yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I went ahead and I did a super quick and easy eye look. I used the Spanglish palettes by Alamar Cosmetics. So I used the pink, this brown, and then a little bit of the orange. Very little. I did go ahead and prime my skin already. I'll insert a clip of that now. I have been priming before I go in with my eye makeup, so I definitely wanted to prime it before. I used the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer, and this is one of the products that is a staple. I love this product. It does look a little glittery, a little shimmery, but when you put your foundation on top, you're not going to be able to see the glitter specks, and it just really gives you a healthy, luminous, glowy look to your skin. Now the primer is done, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to foundation. So another staple, another product you need from Rare Beauty is their foundation. If you love their concealer, you are going to love their foundation. I picked mine up in the shade 210N. You are a MAC NC35. This foundation, the color, the 210N, you are going to love. This foundation feels very weightless. Your skin looks like skin, but better. It's a medium to full coverage. You can start with a light layer, but then build it up to a full coverage, which I'm going to show you guys in today's video. It has a natural finish, and I love it. I am going to just apply it with the wand. Start in the center of the face. For some reason, I see like people not using the wand, and I love the wand that this foundation brings because it just makes it so easy for you to just apply it. And then I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge and kind of spread this around. This is one very light layer of the foundation. As you can see, my skin still looks like my skin, and we have this beautiful radiant glow to the skin. Now I'm gonna go in with a second layer. Now for the second layer, I do apply it on the back of my hand, because since I already have the first layer, I don't really want to apply too much. I want to do another thin layer. I'm going to apply some on the back of my hands, and then I'm going to take my beauty sponge and I'm just going to tap that in there. And then I'm just going to go over the areas where I need a little bit more coverage, which is usually in my hormonal breakouts area. For the forehead, I don't apply any more product. I leave the forehead very light, just because I don't really have too much to cover there, and I apply concealer, cream contour. So my forehead, I tend to leave it just with one really quick layer of foundation. I don't really do too much. Moving on, another product that you need is the concealer. Now I feel like the concealer is one of the most popular items that they are currently selling. I feel like everybody loves the concealer, and I love it too. So I picked mine up in the shade 170W, a concealer. The one that I picked is light with warm olive on undertones. This might be too light for you, but I personally really like a very bright under eye. So I always tend to go to the lighter concealer, like the lightest that my skin can go to, and this is it for me. So again, this is 170W. This is very, very, very bright. So do keep that in mind. Maybe you want to do something that's not as bright, maybe like a light medium shade, but I personally love a light T-zone, so I always tend to go for like the lightest shades possible. So I'm gonna put a dot in the front of the eye, in the inner corner, middle, and at the end of the eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend this out. That is a very light layer of the concealer. As you can see, it completely covered up my dark circles and my under eyes look super hydrated and nourished. And I'm also going to use this to highlight the center of my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and again, I'm gonna take some in the inner corner and down the sides of the nose. And I'm gonna do the center of the nose. I'm gonna do the chin. And I'm gonna go back in and I'm going to blend that all out. I'm gonna let my nose kind of sit there for a little bit, and while that sets, I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour. Now, I don't have a cream contour stick from Rare Beauty. I should have gotten a concealer in a contour shade to contour with because I love the formula, but I don't have one. So I'm going to go in with the Kendall and Kylie contour stick. I really love this contour stick right now because I'm more fair. It fits me perfectly. So I'm just gonna very quickly do my cream contour. The last product that you need to try, like you need it, is her cream blushes. These blushes are so pigmented, they are so incredible, and they stay on forever. And you only need very little. I'm gonna repeat that again. You only need very, very, very little because they are extremely, extremely pigmented. My favorite shade is the shade Happy. I love these tones. I love the pinky blushes, and this one is Perfection. I am going to just put the tiniest bit. I like to smile, and for the dot, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. Look at that. I love it. It's so good. It's so, so, so good. I like to do a little bit on the tip of the nose. You could even do a little bit up here. If you are into like dewy, no powder makeup, look how pretty and youthful our skin looks. Like honestly, I am completely obsessed with the Rare Beauty products. Selena Gomez, you did amazing. I love these. I'm talking to her like if she's gonna see this, but you never know. I love this. So I am going to go ahead and powder my face, finish everything, and then I'll come back to show you guys the final results because I just really wanted this video to be focused on Rare Beauty so that you guys can really see the products in action. And just look at my skin, you guys. Like look how beautiful and youthful my skin looks. Like I am in, every time I do my face, I'm like, whoa, like I love the way that my skin looks. So this is it. This is a completed look using my top products from Rare Beauty. I am honestly so happy with everything, and I cannot wait to see what else she has coming for her brand. When it was first announced, I feel like every makeup artist, we were all a little bit skeptical. I love her formula. I love her packaging. Everything is very detailed. Let me see, where is it? Right here. I don't know if you guys know this, but the little balls on the caps of the packagings are for people who have arthritis, fibromyalgia. This makes it easy for them to be able to twist off the cap. So I love every little detail. I love what Rare Beauty stands for. I love how she's donating to mental health. Everything about the brand I am enjoying and I'm loving. And like I said, I can't wait to see what else is coming for her brand, because if it's just as good as her first launch, I cannot wait to see what else is in store for Rare Beauty. So Selena Gomez, you proved us all wrong, and I cannot wait to see what else you have coming up for us, because I'm definitely not going to be buying. That is going to complete today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications so that you can get notified every single time I upload. I upload every Monday and Thursday, and I think I'm gonna start uploading on Saturdays too. So make sure that you have those post notifications on. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Mwah! Bye!